Hello everyone, Mark here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Now in this video I'm going to be entering Driftomaniacs RC Pit Stop Challenge. Before I do that, I just want to say a huge thank you to Rich for doing these competitions. He's just a really nice bloke and a credit to the RC community. Go check out Driftomaniacs YouTube channel and enter in this fun competition as well. So this is the RC Pit Stop Challenge. So basically I need to remove all four wheels, swap them over. I'm going to be using my Tamiya TT01 Euro racing truck. As you can see, the front wheels are different to the rear wheels. So what I'm going to do, instead of using a whole new different wheel set, because as Rich said, some people don't have spare wheels, so I'm going to basically remove the front ones, put them on the rear, and same on the other side. Before I do that though, I need to prove that my wheel nuts are fully tightened, my wheels are fully secure. We don't want no cheating when it comes to these friendly competitions, so I'm going to prove that now, that everything is nice and secure. So what we're going to do, I've also velcroed my chassis to my rotating stand. I don't want the car shooting off when I full throttle it, so that's going to keep it nice and secure. So what I'm going to do, first way to prove that your wheel nuts are fully tightened, just put a wheel nut tool on your wheels and turn it like this. If they're fully tightened, you should be able to spin your wheel, both wheels, without actually loosening that nut, as you can see there. Now the next test, turn your transmitter on, turn your vehicle on, full throttle, and double check that there's no wheel wobble. As you can see, no wheel wobble whatsoever. Okay then, so now we're ready to actually do the tyre removal. So I'm going to start the stop clock. Hopefully you can see that in the video. Yes you can. I'll give you a closer look anyway. So I've not practiced. This is going to be a first attempt. Maybe I should have practiced, but this is all for fun. So let's start the clock and remove these tyres. So here we go. Now I'm going to try the slow and steady method. So let's see if this works or whether it's not going to. Okay. So if I take my time rather than rushing, let's see if that actually helps. And make sure you fully tighten up your wheel nuts, guys. Don't be putting them on and leaving them on there loose. Fully tighten them. This is all for fun. Okay, let's get this done. Let's get this done, come on. Who would have thought taking wheels off and putting them, oh, nearly dropped a nut. Nearly dropped a nut. Oh, starting to stumble. Starting to stumble. Oh, who would have thought putting on some wheels is this much fun? Thank you so much, Rich. Oh, we're stumbling. Stop talking. Stop talking. Okay, done. Stop clock. Whoa, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. So 1 minute, 6 seconds and 54 milliseconds. So just to prove, all wheel nuts are fully tightened. There we go. There we go. Let's turn the vehicle on again. Awesome, job done, job done. That was really fun. Who would have thought putting RC tyres, RC wheels on and off your vehicle would be that much fun? So I'm going to quickly tell you as well, Rich, hopefully you're watching. As you can see, mate, these are the RC decals I make. Obviously I don't just make them for RC vehicles, but being an RC lover, of course I'm going to make decals for them as well. These are all made by me. That is my Instagram account. I would love to send you some of these decals for free. I'm in the UK, I know you're in the US, but I don't care. Like I say, you do a lot for this RC community, and I'd like to give a little bit back to you. So I'm going to do some of your designs I'll do your logo, do them in a couple of sizes, and I will get them sent to you. As soon as I have a break in my orders, I'll get some done for you. I've also got an operation coming up, but rest assured, if I say I'm going to do something, I will do it, and I'm going to send you some RC decals of your logo. So that's it, guys. Enter Driftomaniacs RC Pit Stop challenge. Link in the description below. I had so much fun, and who would have thought taking tyres off of your vehicle would be so much fun. So thank you so much for watching. Happy RCing everyone. Take care. Bye bye.